I just got home from the store, and this is something that I picked up from Walmart a few weeks ago. Believe it or not, and the price tag's not on here, but they were $4.99. So I grabbed 2 of them. And then I just left Ross. This was $11.99. So I thought that was a really good price. I will show you what else I got. Hola, and welcome back to 𝐇𝐎𝐏𝐄 at Home. How are you doing? Mental health check-in. How are you feeling? I'm tired. I have a headache. I'm hungry. So we're gonna make this quick. I don't mean to complain because God is still good. So here is the other item that I purchased from Ross. So my goal for this is basically just to kind of do a makeover somewhere, like, you know, a bathroom, because both bathrooms need makeover. My daughter's bathrooms are fine. The price was, and then I went to Ollie's and Walgreens. I just basically got some snacks from Ollie's because I don't really need anything. I went to Ollie's, I went to a discount furniture store. This furniture store it was like a furniture bank, and it was open to the public. So they had used furniture and they had new affordable furniture. I was looking for some nightstands and they were all mismatched. So I didn't really, you know, luck out, but next time I go, hopefully they will have some. Anyway, Planters peanuts. I like to make a, what do you call those things? Trail mix. For trail mix, okay? Also with some walnuts. So the Planters peanuts were cheap. They were $2.89 and the walnuts were $3.49. I got some oregano. The oregano was $1.49. 2 cans of coconut, the Thai coconut milk, and these were 89 cents each. Parmesan cheese, $2.99. Dove, this is Dove shampoo. This was $2.79. This Dove is the Pampering Shea Butter Vanilla. Smells really well, and it was $4.99. And then I got some Oral-B toothbrushes. There are 6 in here, and these were $3.99. From Ollie's, $28.78. Now it's time to eat. Today's video is jam-packed, and I'm all about tackling my to-do list. I have so many things that I want to accomplish today, so let's see if I can get them done. So if you have a to-do list, make sure that you are tackling yours with me. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I truly appreciate it. Let me know how you're doing down in the comments. What have you been up to? What are you watching? What are you reading? You know your girl needs to know, okay? Don't you know that I'm toxic? Oh, I was having a jam session. Do you guys like to listen to podcasts or music when you clean? It depends for me. It just really depends on my mood, but I love me some true crime. Look how dirty this stove is. Somebody in trouble, and it's not Kim.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know.
I knew I smelled something, and that is what it is. What's the red cup, you ask? Vinegar. So I gotta get this cleaned off because I'm not taking these inserts off today. I'm way too tired for that. And I'm gonna spray vinegar on my rag. Vinegar definitely eats up that hot sauce that was spilled there, and I always feel like when something's dirty in your home, you can definitely smell it.
And I'm giving them way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend.
Ooh, praise God for a clean stove. Much better. Finally, I am about to eat, so I probably won't be back on here today, but what I do want to tell you is today my sister got inducted, right? Okay, yeah, inducted into the National Coalition of Black Women in the Columbus, Ohio Chamber. So congratulations. Round of applause for my beautiful sister. I am going to insert some footage now, but before I do that, what I want to say is when I went there, y'all, it was right up my alley because they were talking about like uplifting women, you know what I'm saying? And just being there for each other and not talking smack about each other. There's no type of jealousy or anything. There is a sisterhood. That is the goal for my channel, to create a sisterhood. And if you are that type of person that talks smack about people, Just reevaluate yourself and renew your mind, because at the end of the day, it's not going to get you anywhere in life for talking about someone. So let's uplift one another. Let's encourage one another. Let's pray for one another. Let's be there for one another. Let's smile at each other. Let's say hello to one another, because at the end of the day, we are all in this human race together, and it ain't easy. It ain't easy being cheesy. Here's today's dinner. We have a Greek salad with olives. We have falafel, pita bread, and hummus. That's what I'm eating today because I'm home alone. No one's here for me to cook for them. So I treated myself to Greek. It's not as good as 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄 in Washington, D.C., but it's good.
My name is Sharice Sledge Thomas, and the word I chose is evolving. As long as each one of us is on this third rock from the sun, we must continue to change and evolve so that we can make a difference in those around us.
Matthew 5:15. Nor do men light a lamp and put it under a bushel, but on a stand, and it gives light to all in the house. The lighting of each candle symbolizes the illumination that each of you will carry as you commit to go forward to embrace our mission to advocate on behalf of Black women and girls throughout our community and beyond.
Wake up. It's time to do farm chores. Have you guys seen that TikToker? I love him. I want to be his best friend. I have so much to do. Let me show you.
Do you know what love means?
Yeah, we need to handle this. I need to handle this. These drawers need organized as well, and I need to declutter. The kitchen is fine. It just needs to be swept and mopped. Floors need to be cleaned. I'm not really sure that I will get to that today, though. There was a rainbow. I'm going to do a review on this box, but I actually need the box for my project. Hold on. Okay, this might work. Buy a fern, they say. They're easy to manage, they say. No, they're not. They're not. Ladies and gentlemen, it looks crazy. It looks like, you know, the hair needs to be maintained some, but I don't have time for all that. I have too much to do today. I will have to do it later. The next thing on the list of to-dos is this closet. This closet always is a hot mess. Let me turn the light on, and here we go. Bum, bum, bum. Hold on, let me zoom out. Okay. Doesn't it look great? It looks just wonderful, right? That brings me to the Home Marvel toy chest that I'm gonna be reviewing. This is a storage box for toys. I'm gonna put all kinds of Nori's toys, all my nieces and nephews, Giovanni's toys, Gia's toys, and that way when they come over, they will be like, oh, dinosaur auntie. Listen, I'm the cool aunt, okay? I love being auntie. I take my title serious. Did you see how easy that was? Y'all know I'm uncoordinated. Oh, that's so cute. This is the bottom. These are the dividers. That's super cool. I can't believe how easy this is to put together, because you know what? Sometimes I'll be jacking stuff up. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love dinosaurs. I hope you guys love dinosaurs too. And everyone loves kids, right? So it's super cute, very durable. It's very strong, easy to put together. I'm digging it. This is a lid that you can put on. Hold on, let me show you. It has the Velcro there too. So you just snap that Velcro on there. What I am gonna do is get this closet together and get the toys in here, and then see what little Miss Nori thinks about it. Majority of the closets and cabinets in my house need Jesus, like for real. They need a healing, a miracle, and a prayer, because they're always messy. But you know what? The door's closed, so I really don't care. That is what came out of the closet. Like all the puzzle pieces in here so they don't get lost.
You don't ever wanna tell me what you're thinking. One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting.
Let me show you what it looks like. So now, hear me out. It's organized chaos, but it's all in one spot. That's all that matters. Minnie in there chilling in her bed. There's books and stuff, you know, utensils. This is a puzzle that has the alphabet on it. And then these are the puzzle pieces that I said it seemed like there was thousands of them. I put them all in here. So and then we have like just various toys. I will leave the information in the description box below in case you are interested in ordering this for your children to get organized in their playroom.
Sinking down low, the further we go.
So now I'm gonna get some of the stuff off of the shelf that's Christmas decor. And I know where it is right now, but when I go to look for it next time, I probably won't know where it is because when I get organized, I just don't know where I put stuff.
Yeah, you don't ever wanna tell me what you're feeling. One word out of your mouth.
You see that friendly little critter right there? That is why I have vinegar laid around my house for bugs. I'm gonna use my man, 𝐷𝐿𝐒, to mop the floor. So I have to spray it down with vinegar first. Just gonna spray it all over the floor. The floor is getting wet. Let me know below in the comments what you like to mop your floors with. You know I love to use vinegar for many reasons. It is a disinfectant, it cleans so well, and then it gets rid of smells as well. If you do not like the vinegar smell, there's so many ways to combat that. I remember at the beginning of 2020, y'all know what was going on then, and all of the cleaning supplies was like, you know, diminishing, so to speak. Vinegar was on the shelf, okay? And Kim was using it. Kim has always used it, and you know, they didn't run out, which is a blessing.
Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. The better.
Fun fact, anytime I can find a hiding space for something, I'm putting it there, okay? Somebody needs to come over here and get me together because I have stuff everywhere in the house, behind stuff, underneath stuff. It's kind of crazy.
We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like there's no end.
I must say that I'm already feeling accomplished because I have gotten several things done on my to-do list and I'm not overwhelmed yet. So that's a good thing. If you're tackling your to-do list with me, let me know how you're doing. Let me know below in the comments if you are a premature sweeper. And what I mean by that is I walk around in socks all the time. I do not like walking on crumbs. It makes me cringe, which is why I don't walk around in my bare feet. So I gotta get this swept up and I'm gonna end up having to sweep again, but that's okay, just because I don't wanna walk on it. Let me know below in the comments.
Now choose, you know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs, I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You've got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway.
Ooh, this is a hot mess. Nice and clean. Don't be like me. Just vacuum it out and then wipe it, okay?
I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no. Like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no.
Okay, so maybe I should take it over the sink and wipe it off. Those refrigerator liners definitely come in handy. If you don't have any, they are so cheap. Go get some because it really cuts the time down that you have to take to clean out that refrigerator. And I don't know about you, but I do not like cleaning out the refrigerator. So much stuff on that first shelf, but to be honest with you, nothing else looked dirty in here. And I know that sounds crazy and I'm not doing any kind of deep clean with this refrigerator. I just wanted to clean up the spillages that were in there and there are no more spillages, okay? So, gotta go grocery shopping. We'll probably do that tomorrow. I swept my floor again, and now I'm gonna spray it down with some vinegar, and I'm going to mop it with my man 𝐲𝐶𝐷, because I love me some 𝐲𝐶𝐷 mop. The kitchen floor looks amazing. I had to mop it twice because it was really dirty, okay? Super dirty, but it looks better now. I feel better now. But these carpets are disgusting. So I'm gonna vacuum and then I'm gonna clean the carpets. Let me show y'all something. Ask me how long that's been down here. Just take a guess. I would say 3 months. Seriously.
I don't wanna fall in love like this.
I have used this before on my channel. As a matter of fact, I've done a review on it, and this is a Bissell Pro Heat 2x Revolution Pet Pro. That is a tongue twister. I've used it several times, probably not enough. Wait till you see how dirty my carpets are, because whoo, I can look at them and tell that this water gonna be black. Okay, I'm gonna put some vinegar in here. I always fill mine with hot water.
Such a pretty girl.
The carpets are definitely starting to look good, but this area right here is rough. So I've gone over it twice already. I'm gonna go over it one more time. I've only been on this side of the room.
Over one more drinking till you're sober. You said that I want. You had me love struck. That city life will.
In total, I went over the carpets 3 different times. They look amazing. It was almost like I conditioned it or something. It's just super soft now. Nice, real nice. That water was a hot mess. Be sure to clean out your contraptions. The clothes mysteriously disappeared, so I'm thankful for that. I'm just going to dust in here and then change the sheets. One thing that I realize I'm bad at is dusting TVs. I could not tell you the last time I dusted this TV off, and it was really, really dusty.
Over, never, over, one more drinking till you're sober. You say over, never, over, one more drinking till you're sober.
Man, my side of the bed is always a hot mess. Like, I had 5,000 things over there: crumbs, food, water, boxes, bras. I'm so serious, you guys. Look at all this stuff. Heating pads, sweaters, magazines, jewelry, a book, a box that's been sitting there for 2 months. Get your life together, girl.
No place like home. No place like home.
Thank you again so much for being here. You know, from the bottom of my heart, I truly, truly appreciate it. I am so glad that you're here. I am so glad that you are my family here on YouTube, and I pray that you have an amazing week. I use my magic concoction to clean that off. We all have homework, you guys. Anytime we go into the public and the public's there, let's smile at someone, hold the door open for someone, or say hello to someone. You just never know what people are going through. I had this homeless lady prophesize to me, and let me tell you something, it blessed me. And every time I saw her, I just hugged her and just loved on her, because I needed it, she needed it, and we were both happy. Okay, that's so much better. I have to open up the stuff that's in here, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm out of gas. This is what was in one of the boxes, and the other box is something that I'm going to show you guys in the video for next week. But I don't know why I didn't open this. I have been needing this. Yeah. So I'm glad that I, finally opened it after several months. Bye, guys.